Hello, my people. This is my natural hair begging me for moisture. The hair is very dry. You can see it's looking so nasty. But see, this is the savior okro. Today, I want to teach you how to use okro to moisturize your hair. Kindly stay tuned and watch the interesting video. So I have this okro. I'm going to use all because I'll be using part for something else. So I wash it nicely. I know you know how to do it already, so I skip that part. I wash it nicely, and then I put it into my pot, boiling it as usual. I we all like okra soup, so we know how to do it. After boiling it for a few hours, within some 5 minutes, it didn't boil so much. I took it, and this is my okra. It's in the blender. I have blended it nicely. After blending it, here is my cloth. This is a wig cap. You can use a cheesecloth, any fine cloth that you have. Come, Oma, feel free and use it. Don't hesitate to use what you have. So this is it. I pour in my okra. It's time to stress the life out of this okra. I'm going to sieve it nicely. I don't want any of the debris to travel or enter. So here we are. I'm removing it, jeje. See it. I'm squeezing it. Squeeze it out. Squeeze all the gel. Okay. This is it. I have more than enough. But for the sake of this video not to be long, I pause it. I have extra there. So this is what I want. I've gotten the quantity. And my okra gel is almost ready. My dear, wait and see something. This is the okra gel. Finally, she is done with the application and she decided to comb it out to detangle it. After she has done the finger detangling, now she's using the comb. The hair has become so easy to manage. No tangles, no breakage. You can see how it is. Try it and let me know how yours turn out to be in the comment section. So after all this continuous massaging and the detangling, the next thing that we'll do is to rinse it before we put in the shampoo. We do this after that. Now here I am. We are about to rinse it off. After rinsing it with water, I now wash the hair with shampoo. So the main function of the Oko here is to detangle the hair to avoid breakage and make it easy to manage. Now my hair is fuller and very easy to manage despite the hair being thick. Thank you all for watching and God bless you. Happy New Year to everyone. Bye.